so there's I'm gonna have to film on another phone because my phone is charging and it won't charge. So oh my god. So there's an Air China right there. An Air China right there and two Koreans over there and New Zealand 787. Never seen a New Zealand 787 in a long time. And there's a puppy over there. It's a husky puppy. Screaming birds. There's a bunch of screeching birds. Is that a Neo? There's a Singapore A350 somewhere over there. There's a United 773. Is that moving? No, the United 773 over there. There should be there's a Emirates 777 coming. 777W. Haven't seen an Emirates 777 since 2017. I saw a cargo 777 there cargo Emirates Sky Cargo 777 take off all the way back in 2017. I haven't seen them since then. So we had to move, and now there's a freaking bush in the way. Can't really see crap. There's the moon. Oh my god, the sun is in my eyes. And once that A380 comes, it's just gonna bring back so many memories of A380 flying over. I'm missing the A380s. Let's have them just fly over and blast your eardrums out. That was awesome. Now I'm about to see an A380 for the first time in months. In about like 3 or 2 months. Haven't seen an A380 in a while. And gonna see a Emirates 777 for the first time since 2017. There's a plane over there somewhere. There it is. Somewhere over there. For some reason, just the quality of the phone is just trash. I almost missed that one. My God, I almost missed that one. I was doing something with the phone, and then suddenly Air China takes off. There shouldn't be anything else leaving. Let me check the flight tracker. And we got Harley with us. She's oh my God, that's a lot. That's a lot of planes grounded. Yeah, 777s and A3s are gigantic. I think the 777. I think it said the 777 was the biggest twin engine. I think. I forgot. Delta A350, I haven't seen that one in about a year. By Qantas. Qantas isn't flying their A380s back to Australia. And maybe it's because it's just a waste of time to just fly a plane all the way from America to Australia, just to ground it. So they're like, you know, we're just gonna leave our plane right here. I saw one Cathay Pacific over here somewhere. Virgin is almost here. There's the Air China. I just took off. And there's the A380. And there's Emirates. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so again, I'm gonna use my charge up.